In this quick video, I am going to show you how to measure distance between 2 points on Google Maps. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. So firstly, we'll see how to do it on our mobile. So we just need to open Google Maps and hold on to the location from where you want to measure your distance. So I want to measure distance from here, so I just need to hold on it, and then you will notice that a new mark will be added on your location. You can see it in a red color. So we just need to scroll up our panel from the bottom, and after that we'll see a measure distance option here. So we need to select it, and now we just need to scroll on our map, and you can notice the distance on the bottom side. You can see the kilometer is increasing as I'm going far from the point. So this is the process on mobile. Now to do the same thing on our maps desktop, we need to right click on the location from where we want to start measuring our distance. So I want to measure my distance from this point, so I need to right click here and then tap on measure distance, and now you will notice that a new point has been added. And now if I go away from here, I can simply click on the location to the end point. So I want to end it here. So if I click it, you can see a line has been drawn on my map, and you can see the distance here, which is 3.85 kilometers. If you want to measure multiple points, just keep clicking. Google Maps will sum up the total distance for you. Keep in mind, this method measures the straight line distance between points, not the actual travel route. If you want to know the real travel distance, the best way is to get directions instead. Just enter your starting point and destination, and Google Maps will show the total distance based on the route you take. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.